The first time I traveled was way back 1984, sent by our church to Thailand and later traveled to Malaysia and Singapore. Now, I've been to 20 countries as a missionary. As a missionary, I always bought the cheapest air ticket. I don't care how long is the layover or stopover, as long I will reach my destination. The cheapest airlines today are owned and operated by China. This is how they attract passengers, but I never grab them. To admit, one time I flew with their airlines, but I did not book the ticket. Someone bought the ticket for me for a favor. We Filipinos wanted cheap flight, but buying their ticket, we make them rich so they can bully us. There are many countries who become rich, but they never bully their neighboring countries, only the greedy China.